Then I've got my state here. And one thing I've noticed is this is not going to give you what you want. It won't, okay? You can't create this chart with data inside a pivot table, okay? So, but if we copy this, if we copy this thing and then put it here, I'm not sure I need this one. I should be able to get it with this. So I've got this now. So I've got this nice geographical map. And then I can do my formatting like we've always talked about. So it depends on what I want. I can choose what I want. I won't spend too long doing that, but I'm going to add some labels. And the label that I want,